Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. Please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Alright? So, Virgo, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. So, we have Temperance. Virgo, I can sense it that some of you must have been through a lot of tough time in your life. You must have seen a lot of bad phases in your life in recent past, and that's why you are focusing on your mental peace, mental health. Okay, you are just trying to create balance between your heart and mind. Okay, and some of you are definitely going to do some medical or some meditations and healing practices. Okay, yes, whatever the case it is. Or for those who are in a relationship, it seems like are going through a tough time, or tough, yeah, you are seeing the tough time in the relationship, or you have been through a very bad relationship in past. So whatever the case it is, you are working on your healing, you are working on your mental peace. All right, you're not talking to anybody else, you are just focusing on yourself, you are just focusing on your peace, you are just focusing on your growth. On the other hand, we have Four of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy, Virgo. It seems like your person is being very, very possessive about something. Okay, they are very, very possessive about something, and it seems like they are seeing you from a distance. They are seeing you from a distance. Since you have closed your eyes, that's why you are not able to see them. But it seems like your person has left everything behind them, and they are just sitting and seeing you, what you are up to, what's happening with you, why you are so silent, why you have closed your eyes. Okay, and they have protected all their emotions and feelings, whatever they have for you. Okay, now let's see, Virgo, what is the mutual energy between you and them. The mutual energy between Virgo and their person. Schizophrenia. Okay. I think this energy is for your partner, because I'm feeling that your person is relying on you. Okay, this is the reason they are waiting for you. Otherwise they would have gone. But it seems like they have invested in you emotionally, and they have invested their time into you. So now they are just seeing you. Okay, they are just waiting a confirmation from you whether they should stay or leave. So whatever the case it is, whatever you are going to say, or whatever your verdicts will be towards him or towards them, they are in a mess. They are in a mess completely, and either ways they are going to die. As in their emotions are going to die. Okay, so that's why they are waiting for you to open your eyes. Because if I can see that this person is somebody who has everything in life, be it material things or finances, or they are somebody who comes from a very strong background, but still they are waiting for you to open your eyes. That means they want you to be there in their life. This is the reason they are waiting for you, otherwise they would have gone. Now let's see how your person sees you, Virgo, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Wow. Okay, so as I told you that your person is seeing you somebody, since I told you that you are bringing peace and clarity and harmony in your life. You're creating balance between your heart and mind. With this card, harmony, your person also sees you as somebody who is trying to bring balance into your life. Okay, you are attracting abundance and harmony in your life, and you are practicing some kind of a meditation or some healing practices. Okay, so that's how your person sees you. The current action which they are taking towards you is nothing, because they are patiently waiting for you. I told you in the beginning that your person is waiting for you to open your eyes. All right, so same goes here also. This patience card tells me that your person is eagerly and patiently waiting for you to open your eyes. Okay, and they won't disturb you, they won't call you, they won't text you, they won't come between you and your healing part. But I can sense it that they are waiting for you to open your eyes. Okay, and the moment you will open your eyes, something new is about to happen for you. Okay, they know, they are very much they are very optimistic about the situation, that once my Virgo will open their eyes, they are definitely going to see me first. Okay, the future card is saying we are the world. It seems like the moment you will open your eyes and the moment you will realize that this person is waiting for me from a very long time, you are also going to respect that, you are also going to give them the equal amount of emotion and affection and love. And I can see that both of you are going to create a very, very harmonious bonding. Okay, so yes, it's not that they are not taking any action towards you, they are patiently waiting for you. This is the biggest sign for you, Virgo. Okay, it's not that they should come and disturb you. Hey Virgo, why are you not talking to me? If they are supporting you in that manner also, this is also an action. All right, so don't worry at all. Okay, so Virgo, it seems like some of you could be dealing with Sagittarius, and we have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you could be dealing with that too. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, so Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.